I got something today I'm really excited about. This is one of my least favorite jobs in the garage. Well, I finally got me a Vevor floor sweeper. Now, Vevor did send this to me for free. It is a model, it is an S1300-1A. So let's get this puppy out of the box. I'm curious to see how it works. Here it is in all its glory. Let's get it out of the box and see what it looks like. See if there's any assembly required. I actually don't know the answer to that. I expect I put the handle on or something. I don't know. Let's see. Don't know. Instructions. Throw those away. Yes. We will have to assemble the handle. I kind of fully expected that. It's hard to ship stuff with a handle on. So let's get this bad boy out of that box. See what it looks like underneath. Oh, we got wheels. Should have some brushes going here. I do believe they must be inside. Let's see. Ta-da. Yeah, there it is. 2 brushes. 1 for each corner. Let me read the pictures real quick, and we'll put this thing together. Let's put the brushes on real quick. See how that goes. Turn it the other way. Okay. Okay, that's done. Top part of the handle is pretty easy. Bolt goes in. Carriage bolt, got a square hole on the inside. This little doodad goes on there. Then you spin the handle on. The latch, I guess. Set the right amount of tension. Ain't like to send this thing into space. So just a normal, she's fully assembled. Let's see how it works. This is the part that I'm excited about. I hate sweeping. You know, an old push broom, you have to cover every square inch of a garage 5 or 6 times to get it anywhere near close to being clean. Let's see how this thing works. You know, we got some pretty heavy dirt in here. We actually have some dirt. And we've got some floor dry that I put on some oil. We're just gonna try and sweep it all right up and see how it works. Let's try it on the dirt first. Hit a rock. Another rock. Okay. Does not like a little gravel, but neither do I. Well, all right. I am pretty impressed. Like I said, don't like little gravels, but What kind of machine on a cement floor likes little gravels? None that I know of. Metal wheels, no, don't like it. So let's try it up here on this floor dry. Say this is oily floor dry. I'm impressed. I'm impressed. Is it perfectly clean? No. Has it ever been perfectly clean? No. But it would have took me 10 times longer to do that with a push broom than it did do this. So I'm gonna do the whole garage. I bet you I can do the whole garage in 20 minutes. Would have took me well over an hour to do it with a push broom. Well over an hour. Yeah. Let me keep it sweeping. Now that is some oil with just dirt in it. No floor dry. Now this is really not fair. Let's see what it does. Well, I'll tell you what, first impressions, I'm impressed. Let's see how much dirt. Now I only done part of one bay and part of this bay, just the heaviest soiled. Let's see what we got. Here's your catch can. Look at all that. Holy moly. That is all right. I'm impressed. This is not the first Vevor tool I've got. I've been happy with everything I've got thus far. So if you want to check those out, there will be a discount code in the description of this video. Go check them out. They sell all kinds of stuff. I don't know whether the discount code will include everything on their website or just this sweeper. But man, that thing's all right, my book.